It's your girl Bella. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my Boxy charm for the month of May. So here is the box. This is what it looks like. It's a black box. It says Boxy charm. So you get 5 full-size items for $25 a month if you have the basic box. I have the basic box, but you can get the premium box, which is like $35 a month, and then the luxe box, which is, I don't know how much it is. Don't give me the lying. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that's inside of my box because I'm super excited, even though I tried everything and I took everything out already. So the first thing I have is these Ayam Makeup wipes. I think I said that right. Ayam. Maybe it's I'm not sure. But I got these makeup wipes. I tried these yesterday for the first time, and I actually really do like them. They work really good. I didn't have a breakout or anything. I do have sensitive skin, so I'm very mindful of what I use on my skin, and I didn't have a breakout from these, so I was happy about that. So these are a keeper. Also, you get a slip here that will tell you all the prices to all the things in your box if you was to buy it from a retail store. So for these makeup wipes, they are $17 in stores. So then the next thing I got, which is one of my favorites from the box, is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleep Mask. So I love this mask. I have used it a couple of times. It really does smell like watermelons. Like, it smells so good. It smells really, really good. So all you do is put this on your face before you go to sleep, and yeah, you go to sleep. And then you wake up and you wash it off, and it works. It's magic. You be glowing all day long. So I really like this, and this is actually $22 in stores, which isn't that bad for skincare, because if you know, skincare can get really, really expensive. So $22 for a face mask is not bad at all, because let me tell you about the next face mask I got. This one, Glam Glow. If you know about Glam Glow, you know Glam Glow is super expensive. So I got this Glam Glow face mask in my box, and I was super excited because I always wanted to try Glam Glow, but it's just so expensive that I'm just like, I don't know if I want to spend $50 on a face mask, even though you should invest in your skincare because your skin is very important. But I got this in my box, and it's the Glam Glow Probiotic Recovery Berry Glow Mask. So I have tried this a couple times, and I will say it is amazing. It works so good. I love it. So the next thing I got is this Trestique Conceal and Correct Eye Crayon. So basically it's a concealer, but it's like a crayon, and I really love this because one, it's a magnet. Who doesn't love magnets? Who don't love magnets? Okay, so yeah, this is like a lifesaver for your eyebrows, because all you gotta do is just use it to draw around your brows. Just trace them out, trace them out, trace them out, and blend them, and it makes life so much easier. I have stopped using the previous concealer I was using on my eyebrows for this baby right here, and I'm never going back until I run out, and then I don't have a choice. But for now, I'm never going back. So then I got these Moda Pro eye brushes, and I'm not gonna lie, when I first got these, I was like, dang, these are kind of cheap, like, because packaging is everything to me. This packaging, this ain't it. Somebody tell them I said it. This ain't it. Because I was looking like, this looked like dollar store. I ain't saying it's not wrong with the dollar store, but this looked like dollar store. So I was like, I don't know. But I tried one of these, and it was actually pretty good. So the brush blended out great. So I was like, okay, you can't judge, you know, a brush by its packaging, because you just never know what it's capable of. So next time, I won't be so quick to judge. So yeah, Moda Pro, you got the last laugh. So yeah, these are pretty good. And so these are $27.95 in stores. So these are pretty good. And that's very inexpensive to me for brushes, especially a 5-piece brush kit, because brushes can get expensive. Brushes are expensive. Makeup, all beauty stuff is just expensive. okay? So yeah, if you go on the high-end route, stuff can get expensive, okay? So yeah, that is everything that I got in my box. And I also had to purchase from the BoxyCharm pop-up because I have a shopping problem, so I couldn't control myself. So I got more stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all what else I got. So y'all are gonna laugh at me because I ended up buying something that came in my box. The Glam Glow, the berry mask again, because I actually shopped the pop-up shop before I got my box with them on. So when my box came, I seen this in there and I was like, dang, I just went and bought that from the pop-up. And you know, at first I was a little mad, but then after I tried it out, I was like, it's cool because now I got 2 of them and now I won't run out as fast. So yeah, because this mask is really good. And I bought this mask for $12 from the BoxyCharm pop-up. Remember I said it was $49 in stores? I got it for $12 from the BoxyCharm pop-up. So yeah, that was a steal, period. So it is what it is. Then I got another Glam Glow. Anything Glam Glow, I'm adding it to cart. I'm adding it to my cart. So Glam Glow is expensive, and if I can catch Glam Glow for the low, I'm getting it because Glam Glow is expensive. So this is the Glam Glow Insta Mud Mask. We've all heard about this baby right here, and I can't wait to try it. I just got this today, so I did not try it yet. I can't wait to try it. I will let y'all know what I think about it. I might even do a video of me using this in my whole skincare routine, but my skincare routine is not set yet because I'm getting more and more stuff, so just kind of all over the place right now. So then the next thing I got is this Becca primer, and I just picked this up because it was Becca. Honestly, I was like, oh, Becca, I like Becca stuff, so I got this. And so I tried this today and I actually like it. It's just a primer. I mean, it's nothing like, oh my god, but I like it. Honestly, I really like matte primers more, so I'm not sure. I would have to use this and actually go out somewhere. Like today I'm just filming a video, but I would have to use this, go out, hang out for the night, and then come back and let y'all know what I think, because I can't just base it off of me just having it on for like an hour. I don't know, but so far so good. So then the last thing is what I'm most excited about, which was this Violet Voss, it's upside down, Violet Voss Best Life palette. This is so cute. Oh, look at that. This is cute. I love it. Packaging is everything to me. Like, it's everything to me. I just love packaging. Packaging will wheel me in. I think packaging wheels a lot of people in, but definitely me. If it's pretty, I'm getting it. So yeah, let me show y'all the inside. The inside is even better than the freaking outside, which it should be, but I mean, come on now. How cute can this get? Look at this. This is so cute. Like, I'm in love with this, and I cannot wait to use it because I love shimmer shadows. I love, love, love shimmer. Like, if you ever see me, majority of the time I have shimmer shadows on. I don't really do a lot of matte. I use matte colors for like my crease and stuff like that, but majority of the time I have shimmer shadow on because I'm really, really girly. I like glitter, I like shimmer, all of that stuff. I don't really like basic, regular matte, you know, unless I'm just doing my crease. But yeah, y'all, that is everything I got from BoxyCharm for this month of May. So every month I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all what I got in my box every single month. And I bet y'all end up subscribing. And if you do, if this video made you go and subscribe to BoxyCharm, leave a comment below and let me know. Let me know. And let me know if you got the basic box, the premium box, or the luxe box. If you got the luxe box, you rich. No, but let me know if you got, what box you got. And I definitely highly recommend y'all to try it out, because if you're a beginner in makeup, this is great for you because you're gonna get everything you basically need over the months, and you may not know what to get, and trust me, makeup can add up. So BoxyCharm will be the way to go for you. All right, so thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to let me know if you decide to check out BoxyCharm in the comments below. See y'all in the next video.